Hey everyone, Mike from 1A Auto, 2015 Chevy Silverado. Just going to show you different tips for raising and supporting it. Obviously we have it up on a lift to show you, but if you're going to use a jack and you want to raise both rear wheels off the ground, you'd bring your jack right in here and you can lift right on the bottom. You want to make sure not to catch the plate here, but you can lift from the bottom of the rear end, and then you can put jack stands on either side underneath the rear end to hold it up. Also, coming forward, you could put jack stands right here where my lift arms are, right on the frame rails. Okay, and then if you're lifting the front, what's best is if probably just do one wheel at a time. You lift the frame rail right behind where the front wheel is, and then put a jack stand in behind, and same thing on the other side. Jack it up, and then put a jack stand right underneath the frame rail.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.